Social psychology, the psychological explanations of social phenomena. The various aspects of social psychology could be examined within the wide concepts of intelligence, gender, advertising, consumer culture, stress, and psychological issues that define society. Considering consumer behavior, social psychology uses convincing theories to explain addictive consumption, the influence of advertising, and the phenomenon of purchasing. Advertising is seen as a subtle psychological manipulation as it creates desire and anxiety in the potential consumers. Advertising can have both psychological and commercial aspects, including misattribution, bias, suggestibility, and could be studied from global or local perspectives. Organizational consumption is seen as different from individual consumption, although generic psychological theories of human motivation, such as that of Maslow and Freud, can explain consumer behavior. However, consumer behavior can also be studied in terms of the notion of quality and its relation to customer satisfaction. The objective measures of customer needs, pricing, and expectations of the customers may have to be analyzed within service quality or expectations models. Highlighted on the psychological aspects of gender and the influence on consumption of advertising. Advertising has been found to be processed and interrupted differently according to gender schemes and perceptions. This would in turn relate to psychological theories of gender, such as the theory of biological determinism, Freudian theory of personality development, cognitive developmental theory, and feminist theory. Bridging the gap between gender studies and gender differences in consumption could provide us with new insights on social and psychological aspects of consumer behavior.